Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins and I'm back with another 3-minute card making hack for CraftStash. So today we are looking at your intricate dies. So dies that have really fine lines in them, really fine detail. How do you apply your adhesive to put them onto your projects like these? So you don't want any glue seeping out of the edges, you want a really nice clean finish. You can use a fine tip nozzle on your glue applicator, but that is going to take you ages to cover the entire piece to get a really lovely smooth and clean finish. So I'm going to show you two ways in one. They're both similar, but it depends on the tools that you already have in your craft room. I'm going to be using this die here. This is a new die from the Double the Background collection from CraftStash. It's from Creative Craft Products. That's an exclusive brand to CraftStash, so you'll only find it there. There's lots of other designs as well, as you've just seen on those cards, a couple of them. I really love this Moroccan one, and I love to be gluing it to my cards. Now I could, like I say, put a fine tip applicator on here and go along dot dot dot. It's going to take me an awful long time, but if I just place a little bit of glue, and my favorite glue to use, excuse the label, let's get a clean one, is the Creative Craft Products bookbinding glue. So originally created for bookbinding, but it sticks paper to paper, cardstock to cardstock together so beautifully, so well, very quickly, a really strong finish. It dries clear. I absolutely love it. Now this one is an old bottle, and I've actually snipped the nozzle to make it wider so that I can dispense more onto my mat or a project if I want to. When you get it brand new, you'll notice the nozzle is a little bit longer, a lot finer, so you can do quite fine detail with this. But again, it's going to take a while if you want to get this sort of detail completely covered. Now this is mirror card, but on the back it's just cardstock. So the two different ways you can use. My favourite is a brayer. Really quick, even application. I try to clean my brayer up, but essentially I do use an old one most of the time. And I'm working on a resistant mat here just to protect my surface. And I'm just going to spread this glue out in the same way as I would if I was using a brayer with paint, for example, until I've got a nice even coverage over the brayer. And then I just roller onto the back of the design, the die cut, whatever it may be. This is perfect for sentiment dies as well, because them I often find are so fiddly. So I'm going to go over half of this with my brayer to show you one technique. But if you don't have a brayer at home, something you may well have or can get hold of a lot easier is a piece of sponge. This is an ink blending sponge. As you can see, I have used it for ink blending before, so it's a bit dirty, but it's been washed, so there's no colour going to come out. You can use a kitchen sponge, you could use a makeup sponge, anything like that, and you're just going to dab your sponge into, ideally a flat part, into the glue, and then dab it on here. Now with this way you do kind of lose a bit more of the glue between the gaps, whereas the brayer stays on the raised areas a bit more, but that way you're still going to get application over the entire die cut. And then we can pop this straight onto our project, press that down, and we have got the entire surface covered absolutely perfectly, no missed spots, nothing lifting up, and it's going to dry really quickly. So hopefully that has helped you with gluing your intricate die cuts. Don't forget to check this collection out, and if you like tips and tricks like this, we've got lots of videos on our CraftStash playlist just here. And if you do love this video, please do subscribe to the CraftStash channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you everybody, take care, I'll see you again very soon for another 3-minute card making hack.